Welcome back, everybody. We are doing our daily update. Today is Thursday. What are we at? April 2nd. April Fool's yesterday was quite crazy. We had Donald Trump, of course, attempting to manipulate the market. I'm very sure there are instances of people jumping into big trades right before he announced that. First, the announcement was an announcement of an announcement the day before, and then day of, as the announcement happened, he made it seem like we were going into peace or into peace talks with Iran. Then halfway through the conversation, he says we'll be continuing the campaign and bringing in ground troops into Iran, and we'll see how things go in 3 weeks. Just his way of trying to manipulate the market to boost up whatever stocks and whatever ETFs he's in, whatever whatever he's in, without going into detail, whatever he's in, his Trump International interests are probably pumping right now. Probably defense contractors, and obviously oil is pumping. And so, what happened to risk off stocks? They dropped. The U.S. dollar dropped, stocks dropped, and even Bitcoin dropped down to the 65,700 range again. What does this spell for the next 3 weeks? To me, it says we'll probably hit 67, 68, 68K, and then we're gonna drop again. He's basically saying we're gonna be in that wartime uh, uh, equities dump range for the next 3 weeks, and obviously he's probably gonna say something contrary to what he said about the 3 weeks worth of war. Again, I would imagine end of this week going into Friday, cause some volatility, uh, uh, and then possibly coming back into Monday with more details just to cause more volatility. Again, we're just waiting for the market to drop. This is just what we do during market drops. We're in the second wave of a market correction. We hit 126K and we came up from 15K. 15,600, and we are just expecting to correct into at least 70% of that, plain and simple. We could have a full reset, and we could see like an 88% correction, considering that we just went through a 16-year Bitcoin cycle, and in standard in the standard economic model, 16-year cycle is one fourth of a 100-year cycle, a 96-year cycle. And so if we're going to see Bitcoin for the next 100 years, then this is just one fourth of that cycle, and we could see a bigger reset. But we are betting on somewhere between 35K and 50K, and we'll see where we're at in October. We're going to leave it at that for Bitcoin. Jump into the open chat. We have some new people coming in. We have some information on how gold and how silver are reacting during this time. Oh, we had the big drift protocol hack where the hacker literally finished stealing and converting $285 million worth of Solana assets, and as you can see there, and that did directly affect me. I did have some money in there on a short where I was shorting from 71K. But here we are. We'll see what they end up doing about that. If we end up getting the money back, it could take a long time. Their insurance fund did not cover it. We have an update on the betting swarm. We still have free bets and premium bets coming in. They're going to be coming in any second now for today. We do have it. We do have these bets coming out automated. I will be working on the AI logic a little bit more, since the most recent past few days have not been favorable for what the swarm has been wanting to push out. I mean, we had a 3-3 and a 1-4 the other day. We're at the end of the season, so the logic has to be changed for playoff logic, where teams are are they're tanking, putting in third and fourth string players. So that changes how the AI will be viewing these games. So things need to change a little bit, but there will be updates on Gamers Ave. Jump into the mining section to see how to utilize Go mining, and we will have a Go mining update. Again, we will start doing Go mining weekly updates again very soon. So we're going to leave it at that. Stay diligent out there. Save up your US dollar, and I'm going to keep saying it. We're still waiting for October, first week of October 2026 to jump into a major Bitcoin or crypto long. We will be buying Solana down there as well. So we'll leave it at that. Thanks for watching.